Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn Azure DevOps step by step. Start by creating a free Azure account and installing the DevOps CLI so you can follow along hands-on. Then, initialize a repository and commit a simple app to understand source control basics. Next, explore pipelines to automate builds and deployments. Keep experiments small, repeat tasks, and track progress to build confidence quickly. Begin with Git basics so branching and pull requests feel familiar and natural. Move on to pipelines where you automate builds, run tests, and deploy to a safe test environment. Use boards to organize tasks, set priorities, and measure sprint progress with real work items. Combine these elements in small projects and iterate, reviewing logs and fixing issues. Practicing end-to-end helps connect concepts and builds useful muscle memory. Create a small sample app and configure a CI pipeline that runs unit tests on each commit. Add a CD pipeline that deploys to a staging slot, keeping production safe while you validate changes. Examine logs, set up alerts, and iterate on failing builds to learn troubleshooting techniques. Repeat the cycle with incremental improvements and try integrating security scans or infrastructure as code to deepen your practical skills over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.